Question number 12. So we'll expand this one. We have to write in the right form. X plus minus 1 over x to the power 5 equal 0 x 5 minus 1 over x 0 5 1 x 4 minus 1 over x 1 5 2 x 3 minus 1 over x 2 5 3 x 2 minus 1 over x cube 5 4 x minus 1 over x 4 and 5 5 x 0 minus 1 over x 5. So this is 1 and this is x5. Then this is 5 x4 over minus 1 over x. This is match with this one. 10 x cube 1 over x square. And actually I'll write like this. Plus 5 x4 1 over x. This minus is going to be here. Minus. And I can see this is a odd power, and then it is going to be minus 10 x square 1 over x cube, and this is was even, so this is going to be 5 x 1 over x 4, and this is going to be odd in minus 1 over x5. Now simplify x5. This is 5x3 and this is 10x. This is minus 10 1 over x, 5 1 over x cube and minus 1 over x 5. Coefficient of so we want to write x square and x cube two terms. So x square we can write x square term in 2k n minus 2, so n minus 2 and x square, and x cube term n 3 2k n minus 3 x cube. So those two coefficients are equal into 2k minus n minus 2 equal n3 2k 2 to the power k n minus 3. I'll bring to a 1k, so 2k to the power n minus 2 divided by 2k to the power n minus 3 equal n3. So cross multiply. And I can write n2 2k n minus 2 times 2k. This is going to be minus n minus 3. Equal n3. Now n2, this is 2 to the power k n minus 2. This is 2 to the power k minus n plus 3. Because when I take this one up, it is become minus. Then I expand by minus n plus 3. Now this is n3. When you add those two together, because when the base is same, we can add together. Minus n plus n cancel out. Minus 2 plus 3 cancel out. Minus 2 plus 3 plus 1. So now we end up with n2 2k plus 1 n3. Now I am going to simplify this one. Factorial n factorial 2 n minus 2 factorial, and this is factorial n factorial 3 n minus 3 factorial. So this is n, I am writing n minus 1 factorial n minus 2 factorial over factorial 2. This is n minus 1 n minus 2 n minus 3 factorial over factorial 3. Now I can cancel out an n minus 2 factorial here and this n minus 3 factorial here. So n minus 2 to n minus cancel out. This is cancel out. So n over n minus 1 over factorial 2 and n minus 1 n minus 2 over factorial 3. Now this is n cancel out, n minus cancel out. So this is 1 over 2. This is n minus, okay, I lost 2k. Right. I will write 2k here. Then I will write 2k here. And this side 2k. And this is 2k times half times n minus 2 over factorial 3 means 6. Now 2k divided by 2 over n minus 2 6. So 2 to 2 cancel out. Then k equal n minus 2 over 6. So 6k equal n minus 2, n equals 6k plus 2. We can do another simplification here differently. This is n cancel out. Then 2k equal n minus 2 factorial 2 over n minus t factorial 3. Then 2k equal n minus 2, we can write n minus 2 times n minus 3 factorial, and this is factorial 2 is 2, and this is n minus 3 factorial, and factorial 3 is 6. Then this is cancel out, and this is 2 and this is 3, and cross multiply 6k equal n minus 2. So n equals 6k plus 2. That is another way of working. Now n equals 6k plus 2. K equal 2 over 3. Now n equals 6 times 2 over 3 plus 2. This is going to be 4 plus 2 equal 6. So n value has to be 6 now. Now 2k plus xn equal 2 times 2 over 3 plus x 6. It means 4 over 3 plus x to the power 6. Now I want to expand 6 0 4 3 6 x 0 6 1 4 over 3 5 x 1 6 2 4 over 3 4 x square 6 3 4 over 3 cube x cube dot dot. This is going to be 4 over 3 6, and this is 6 times 4 over 3 5x, and this is going to be 15 times 4 over 3 to the power 4, and 20 times 4 over 3 to the power 3 x cube. This is x square. So this is going to be question number 14. 2 plus x to the power 6. So we need to do expansion. 6 0 2 6 x 0 6 1 2 5 x 1 6 2 2 4 x 2 6 3 2 3 x cube 6 4 2 2 x 4 6 5 2 x 5 6 6 2 0 x 6. So this is going to be 2 6 plus 6 times 2 5x times 15 times 2 4x squared plus 20 times 2 cube x cube plus 15 times 2 square x4 plus 6 times 2 x5 plus x6. This is going to be 64, and this is 192x plus 240x squared plus 160x cubed plus 60x4 plus 12x5 plus x6. Now what I notice, part B, 2 plus square root 3 6. So if I put x square root 3 here, then that's fine. And instead of that, if I replace with minus x this one, then I can put minus 3, or simply I can replace minus x equal square root minus square root 3. That also work. This is 2 plus x to the power 6. Then I'll put, instead of plus x, I will replace with minus x when x is minus x. So this is going to be 2 minus x to the power 6. 64 plus 192 minus x, 240 minus x square plus 160 minus x cube plus 60 minus x to the power 4 plus 12 minus x5 plus minus x6. Now this is going to be 64. This is 192x. As this is odd number, this is as it is 240 x square, and this is again negative 160 x cube, and this is 60 x4. Sorry, it is going to be positive as this is even, and this is negative again 12x5 plus x6. So this is 2 minus x to the power 6. Now we'll minus those two together. Now 1 minus 2, it means 2 plus x minus 2 minus x to the power 6. When you minus those two, this is cancel out. This is going to be 0. Now 192 x minus 192x. It means it's going to be double. 2 times 102 x. So this is going to be 2 times 192 x. This is again cancel out positive. And this is 2 times 160x cube. This is adding when you minus. And this is positive cancel out. This is 0 and this is adding again. 2 times 12x5, and this is cancel out. x6 is gone. All the odd numbers is there. If you add those two together, all the even numbers remain and odd numbers delete. If you minus, odd powers there and even powers will delete. Now we are done. 2 plus x to the power 6 minus 2 minus x6 equal 2 times 192, 384x, plus this is 320x cube, and plus this is 24x5. Now substitute x equal square root 3, then 2 plus square root 3 6, 2 minus x square, square root 3 6 equal 384 square root 3, 320 square root 3 to the power cube, and 24 square root 3 to the power 5. So this is as it is 384 square root 3, and this is going to be in 960 square root 3, and this is 216 square root 3, and when you add you will get 1560 square root 3, and this is k times square root 3, k equal 1560. We want to write the x square term to get the constant. So that is going to be 82 2 to the power 6 kx square, then 8226 k square x square. So this is the term. So coefficient of x square is 8226 k square. Now we'll find what is 82. 82 is 28, so 28 26 k square, and this value is equal to 2800. So this value equal to 2800. So I can divide by 28. This is going to be 1000, and kx square mean 1000 divided by 2 to the power 6. So kx square equal 1.5625. Then k equal plus or minus 1.25. So k is positive, hence k equal 1.25. Now we write the x cube term, that is 808325 kx cube, that is 8325 k cube x cube, and 83 is going to be 5625 k cube. But now we know that k is 1.25. 5625 1.25 times 3 x cube. This is going to be 3500 x cube. So coefficient of x cube is 3500. 16a2 plus x5 5025 x0 5124 x1 5223 x square 5322 x cube 542 x4 and 5 x5. So this is going to be 2524x 10 2 cube x square 10 2 square x cube, and 5 times 2 times x4 plus x5. This is equal 32 plus 80x plus 80x square plus 40x cube plus 10x4 plus x5. So this is 2 plus x5. Now I'm going to write 2 minus x5. 32. This is minus 80x. This is plus 80x square. This is 40x cube. This is 10x4 and minus x5. When I substitute x values, all square terms positive and all odd terms become negative. Now, why I did was I see that I want to add 2x to the power 5 plus 2 minus x to the power 5. So that's why now I will add those two together. When I add, even numbers is going to be remain. If I minus, odd numbers is going to be remain. So in this case, this is addition. 2 plus x to the power 5 plus 2 minus x to the power 5 equal, this is 64, this is plus 0, and this is 160x square, this is 0, and this is 20x4, and this is 0. Now this is equal 64 plus 160x square plus 20x4. Now this is a plus b x square plus c x4. A equals 64, B equal 160, and C equal 20. Part B, we want to solve 2 plus x to the power 5 plus 2 minus x to the power 5 equal 349. It means 20x4 plus 160x square plus 64 equal 349. So this one means this one. 20x4, 104, So now we have to solve this one. 20x4 plus 160x square plus 64 minus 349 equal 0. So 20x4 plus 160x square minus 285 equal 0. This is, we can simplify by 5. 4x4 plus 32x square minus 57 equal 0. Now this is power is 4, then we have to do a substitution. Y equal x square. Then x4 equal become y square. This is uh, this equation we are turning into a quadratic equation by this substitution. So if we have something like this, let's say ax6 bx cube plus 4 equals 0, still you want to do that kind of substitution. You have to take x cube equal y, then ay square plus by plus 4 equals 0. Likewise, we'll bring into a quadratic equation by giving this substitution y equal x square. Then this is going to be 4y square plus 32y minus 57, because x square become y now. Now, yes, we can back it out. 2y minus 3 and 2y plus 19 equals 0. Y equal 3 over 2 and y equal 19 over 2. Now we have to subtract x square equal 3 over 2 and x square equal minus 19 over 2. So we can't work on this one because we can't find at this is a except complex, we can't find the root. So then x equal plus or minus the square root 3 over 2. Question number 17. I need to write the coefficient of x cubed term. So I write x cubed term first. So 5, 3, 2, y minus 3, 2, and px 3. So 5, 3, this is 4, p cube, x cube. So 5, 3 means 10 times 4, p cube, x cube. So coefficient of x cube is 135 is given. Also coefficient of x cube is 40 p cube. Then 40 p cube equal 135. This is 5 times 8 p cube equal 25. P cube equal actually 27. So 27 over 8. P cube equal, this is 3 over 2 cube. It means p equal 3 over 2. Now we need x4 terms, coefficient of. So we write x4 terms 5, 4, 2, 1, p x to the power 4. So 5, 4 mean 5, 2, p 4 x 4. The coefficient of x4 is 10p4. 10 p4 mean 3 over 2, 4. So 10 times 81 over 16. Now this is going to be 2 and 5 and 8. 405 over 8, which is 50.625. In this sum, we need to find the constant term. So it means we are expecting this kind of thing. X to x cancel out, so it's going to be a constant. But now in this case, this term is x square and this term is 1x. So this is not cancel out. X is going to remain. Then this is x square and this has to be also x square. Then this is, I have to square this one. So then if I take this one, so this is has to be power 1 and this has to be power 2. I'll rewrite this one. So x square power 1 and I will rewrite this one, x square over 2 plus minus 2 over x to the power 9. And then minus 2 over x, if you take 1, as I said, this is not going to cancel out. This is has to be 2. Then it is cancel out. So in that case, this is the ratio we need. 1 to 2 ratio to cancel out. Now, 1 plus 2 is not 9 because all the two terms has addition should be 9. So we'll go for different one. 2 to 4, it is 6, not 6, not equal to 9. How about 3 to 6? Yeah, that is equal to 9. That is right. It means we need x square term 3 and minus 2x square term 6. So then 3 plus 6 is 9. So then only this is cancel out. So this is 6x and minus 2 6 over 6x cancel out. So then having that knowledge, which term we need? So we need which one go with this one? When you write 9, so always this value go with this one. Or 9 minus 3, 6, the other one. So 9, 6, x square 3, this is the term we need. So this term will give us the cancellation and make constant. This is actually x square over 2. So this is x square over 2. Then 9 over 6 means this is going to be 84. And this is x 6 over 8. And this is power even, then this is going to be 2 to the power 6, 64 over x 6 minus will vanish as this is even power. Now you see that x6 and x6 cancel out and only remaining is 84 times 64 divided by 8. So this is 8. Then 84 times 8 is 672. Question number 19. We have to write first three terms. So 7027px0 and 7126px1 and 7225px square dot dot dot. So this is going to be 27 and this is going to be 726px. Then this is going to be 21 2 to the 5 p square x square plus dot dot. This is equal to 128 plus 448px plus 672 p square x square. Now this value is given as 2240. So 2240, and this value is given q. So then 448 p equal to 240, p equal to 240 by 448. So this is 5. Now q equal 672 p square. It means 672 p mean 5 square. 672 times 25. So this is going to be the 16,800. 1 minus p to the power 12 power 20. First three terms we want to write. So first of all we'll write the proper form. Minus px power 12. So 12 0 1 12 and minus px 0 plus 12 1 111 minus px1 and 12 2 1 10 minus px square plus dot dot. So this is going to be 1 and this is 12 minus 12p and this is going to be plus 66 p square x square plus dot dot equal. And this value minus 12p is q, and this is part B, and x square value, this is 6q. So minus 12p is q and 66p square equal 6q. Now from here I can find q equal minus 12p, then 66p square equal 6 times minus 12p. So when I divide 6, actually this is going to be 11p square equal minus 2p. 11 square plus 2p equals 0. When I take p out, this is going to be 11p plus 2. Now p equals 0 or p equal minus 2 over 11. So p not equal to 0 as p is non-zero, then p has to be minus 2 and over 11. Then q mean minus 12 times p minus 12 times minus 2 over 11. It's mean plus 24 over 11 q value. I think that's the issue with the calculation. Let me work out again. Um, so this is going to be 11p square equal q. Then 11p square equal q mean minus 12p. So then 11p square plus 12p equals 0. Then 11p plus 12 equals 0. P equals 0 or p equal minus 12 over 11. So then p is non-zero, hence p equal minus 12 over 11. Then q equal minus 12 times p. Minus 12 times, it means minus 12 over 11. It means 144 over 11. Find the first three terms. So then 7027 x over 2 0 plus 7126 x over 2 1 and 7225 x over 2 square dot dot dot. So this is 27, this is 726 x over 2 plus this is going to be 2125 x square over 4. 128 plus 224x plus 168 x square. Now part B, we want to give approximation 2.05 to the power 7. So this is equal to 2 plus x over 2 7. This will tell that 2. I'll write this one first. X 2 plus x over 2 equal 2.05. So x over 2 equal 2.05 minus 2.05. So x equal 2 times 0.05. It means going to be 0.1. 0.1. So we'll substitute 0.1 now. So 2 plus 0.1 over 2 to the power 7 equal. So now approximation 128 plus 224 plus 0.1 plus 168.1 square. So this is equal 128 plus 22.4 plus 1.68. So this is going to be 100.08 approximation value. We want to find the coefficient of x cubed term. First of all, write x cubed term. So this is going to be 5, 3, and then 4, 2, kx 3. So 5, 3 is going to be 10, 4 square 16, k cube x cube. So this value is equal to 10, 16, k cube equal 20. Then 16k cube equal 2. So k cube equal 1 over 8. K equal 2. K cube equal half a cube. K equal half.